Nausea is a sick feeling in your stomach that usually leads to vomiting. It can be caused by many things, including anxiety, stress, seasickness, and pregnancy in women. Nausea can also be a symptom of a more serious illness, like food poisoning, so if your nausea does not improve after 48 hours, go see your doctor. If your nausea is the result of a less serious illness, or general anxiety and stress, there are natural remedies you can try to stop nausea fast. Ginger capsules. Ginger has been used for a long time to help stop nausea from many different causes. It works by suppressing certain types of brain and gut receptors that are related to the sense of nausea. If you want something to take with you while you're out, consider buying candied ginger. You can simply pop one in your mouth if you experience a bout of nausea while on the go. These can be especially helpful for pregnancy nausea. Ginger tea. You can buy ginger tea bags from the store, or you could use fresh ginger to make a soothing cup of tea at home. Brew and sip a cup slowly to help ease nausea. Ginger ale has long been touted as a great reliever of nausea, but not all fizzy ginger ales actually contain ginger and instead use an artificial flavoring. If you're going to use ginger ale, look for a product that contains real ginger and minimal sugar. How to make fresh ginger tea. In a saucepan, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. Add 1/4 cup of fresh grated ginger. If you want, you could also add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of honey. Let the ginger steep for 20 minutes, then strain the tea into a mug. You can drink the tea while it's hot, or pour it over ice for a cold beverage. Drink peppermint tea. While there isn't a lot of scientific research to quantitatively prove that peppermint cures nausea, it definitely won't hurt you and may provide some relief. Many people find it to be a soothing beverage that helps reduce nausea. Brew a cup of tea by steeping a peppermint tea bag in a cup of hot water for about 5 minutes.